Exercise 17B, question number 10. Construct a square, each of whose diagonals measures 5.8 centimeter. Okay, so we have to do, we will first begin its rough sketch. So let us make its rough sketch. Okay, so diagonals they have given 5.8 and they haven't told anything about the length of the sides of the square. So we know that all the sides of a square are of equal length and diagonals bisect each other, as well as the length of diagonals are also equal, and each of the sides make 90-degree angle. Okay, so it is having 490-degree angles, 4 right angles it is having. Okay, so first we will form a square. So all of us know about a square. It's a figure like this. All four sides are equal. Now the length of diagonal, this we can name it A, B, C, D. Okay. So length of this diagonal AC is 5.8 centimeter, as well as BD is again 5.8 centimeter. Both diagonals they have given 5.8 only. Then what we can do, they haven't told anything about sides, so what we can do, we can tilt this square little bit like this. So AC is like this, AC is like this, so we can take AC to be like this. It will not harm our square. So AC is the base that we can take, and that will be of 5.8 centimeter. Then BD obviously will be here. So BD here we will get, and that will again of 5.8 centimeter. Then we can join AB, BC and CD and AD. So this will be again the same square as we have done above. But here what we have done, here AC was slanted. So here we have taken AC horizontally. Still again same type of square it will remain. Okay, so for that we will first construct AC to be base. So let us construct AC to be base, and that should be of 5.8 centimeter. So make here 5.8 centimeter. Starting from 0 to 5 and 8 more dots will give you 5.8. So here it is 5.8 centimeter. So it is AC and it is 5.8 centimeter. Okay, then we have to construct BD. You can refer to rough sketch. BD we have to construct. So BD, you can see here that we know properties of square that diagonals bisect each other. So BD will be perpendicular bisector of AC. है ना? BD will be perpendicular bisector of AC. So what we will do? We will take radius more than half of AC. AC is 5.8. So 5.8 divided by 2 will give you 2.9. ठीक है, 2.9 centimeter. So half of AC is 2.9. So take radius more than 2.9. More than 2.9. है ना? You can take it 3 or 3.5. Anything you can take. So 3.5 I have taken. So now put your center. Put your center on point C and draw an arc above and below. Then with the same radius, don't disturb the radius. Put it over center A. Draw an arc here and one more arc here. We will have to make it some more bigger because we are not getting proper intersection. So again you can do like this. So now we got intersection of two arcs. So when we will join these two intersection of two arcs, we will get a line, and that line will be bisecting our base AC. So let us draw here bigger line. So this is bisecting AC into two equal parts. Bisect means to cut into two equal parts. So if this AC is 5.8, then we can name here point O. So AO will be 2.9. You can see here AO will be 2.9. Yes. And again OC is again 2.9. Okay. Now same will be the case of BD also. If BD is 5.8, then OB will be 2.9 as well as OD will be 2.9. If BD is equal to 5.8. So here we can write OB plus OD will give you BD, and that will be 2.9 plus 2.9. Half of 5.8 is 2.9. So when we add 2.9 two times, we will get BD. So BD will be addition of 2.9 plus 2.9. So now you take radius to be 2.9. 2.9 radius you take in your compass. Yes, this is 2.9. Now put your center over point O. This is your point O. Put it here. then intersect it like this, and here also you intersect it here. Okay. Now this intersection of perpendicular bisector and these two arcs will give you point B and D. And see, I told you that 2.9 plus 2.9 will give you 5.8. So you can measure here. Length of BD is coming 5.8 only. Yes. Okay. So now you can join. You can join this AB, BC, CD and DA. So let us join. Okay, so we got a square. This is also 5.8. We can write down here 5.8 centimeter BD is. Then we got a square ABCD and we will find that the length of all four sides are equal. Okay, so you can measure the lengths also. So it is coming 4.1. This is also 4.1 coming. This is also 4.1 and here also 4.1. So I am getting all the sides to be 4.1 centimeter. 4.1 centimeter. So this is a square and we are getting all four sides to be 4.1 centimeter as well as the diagonals are equal.